Welcome back to WhatGear Quickie Leaks. Consider subscribing if you want to be kept up to date with all the latest tech leaks every week. So this week, images of the new OnePlus 7T have emerged, and it is indeed a thing, according to MaxJ. And as you know, this will be an incremental upgrade from the previously released OnePlus 7 and OnePlus 7 Pro, and here is what we could expect to see. So inside the device we could see the new Snapdragon 855 Plus, which is an overclocked version of the original Snapdragon 855, which is already incredibly powerful. As well as that, we're quite likely to see upgraded RAM and possibly wireless charging.
Power at 400% capacity.
How about that?
Also, it'd be great to see an upgrade to the screen refresh rate. Maybe we could see 120 Hz this time. We'll have to wait and see. And let me know what you think. If you own a OnePlus 7, is there anything that you think needs improving? Leave that in the comments below. So now on to some Qualcomm news. And if you didn't know, Qualcomm are the company that make the mighty Snapdragon processor, and word on the street is they're gearing up to launch a new flagship this December. And this has pretty much been confirmed according to the leaks on Geekbench. So check this out. Now, some of the upgrades that I think we're definitely going to see when it comes to this processor is better AI, better power efficiency, better features for camera capabilities, and I'm pretty sure it will support even larger image sensors. Now, speaking of image sensors, Samsung have just dropped a bombshell and they've teased this new 108 megapixel isocell sensor. But the funny thing is, apparently Realme might be the first company to use it, not Samsung. It puzzles me why Samsung wouldn't use their own image sensor first. But then I guess Sony do this all the time. They've got that 48 megapixel sensor and they've never used it either. But anyway, more smartphone camera news. Realme are about to launch a 64 megapixel camera with a quad array. And this year has really been the year of 48 megapixel smartphones, and they're quite prominent in a lot of flagship devices. But according to the leaks, Realme are about to step up and launch this 64 megapixel smartphone. Let me know in the comments, do you think this is going to be good? It's definitely interesting for me. Hopefully I get to test one of these out. And check this one out from Xiaomi. Apparently they have a patent for an actual periscope lens where the lens pops out the top, and I'm assuming it will use some kind of mirrors to give you an extreme zoom. So this one's really exciting. Let's see if it materializes. Now, these leaks are revolving around your favorite brand. Love them or hate them, there's some cool stuff coming from Apple. I'm not a massive iPhone fan, but I do like the Macs. So here's the rumors. I heard we could see Face ID coming to the next lineup of Mac computers. And I think this is a really great addition to the Mac, because anything that's secure, where you don't have to remember passwords with special characters and numbers and capital letters, is a good thing. So I'm quite excited for this. And the other Apple news this week is apparently they're working on a folding iPad according to the leaks. And I like the idea of folding tablets. It just makes more sense to me than folding phones. Let me know what you think about this. Are folding phones the future, or do you think it's a bit gimmicky? Let me know in the comments below, and thanks for watching this week's Quickie Leaks. Make sure you subscribe, stay tuned for next week's, and if you want to watch the previous Quickie Leak, that's on screen right now. Go check that one out. See you guys in the next one. Don't be late.